Welcome back, children. We are coming to the last part of the chapter, classification of enzymes. Enzymes are classified into 6 types: oxidoreductase and dehydrogenase. Dehydrogenase. What is the function of this enzyme? This enzyme catalyzes oxidation reduction reactions as in respiration. Okay, during respiration, oxidoreduction reaction takes place. So, this oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase enzyme catalyze oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction. Now, the second one is transferases. What are transferases? They transfer one group from one compound to another compound. Okay, so those enzymes which transfer one group from one compound to another compound. Another compound is called transferases. Now, what are hydrolases? Hydrolases are enzymes which break down the compound by breaking the bonds in them. So, by breaking the bonds, two groups are separated, or two molecules are separated. They are called hydrolases. Isomerases are isomerization. They perform isomerization reaction. Now, lyases are enzymes which separate the group without hydrolysis. So, lyases separate the groups without hydrolysis. Now, ligases are enzymes. They combine two molecules. Combine molecules by forming the bonds. They combine molecules by forming the bonds. So, what are the 6 types of enzymes? Oxidoreductase or dehydrogenase control oxidation reduction reaction. Transferases transfer one group from one compound to another compound. Hydrolases break down the bonds between two groups and separate the groups. Isomerases catalyze isomerization reaction. Lyases break down the compounds, or lyases separate the groups without hydrolysis. And ligases combine two molecules. These are the 6 types of enzymes. In all these enzymes, you can see one common feature. What is that? The name of the enzymes are given by adding the suffix AAC to the substrate. Suppose protein is the substrate. We will write protease. Protease. Protein plus AAC gives protease. Then substrate, another substrate, lipid plus AAC gives lipase. So, enzymes are named with the suffixing the AAC with the name of the substrate. Got it? Yes. Now, we are coming to the last part of the chapter. That one is cofactors, apoenzyme, coenzyme, prosthetic group. What are the 4 terms indicating? Cofactors are non-protein part of the enzyme. Non-protein part of the enzyme is called cofactors. Now, apoenzyme is the protein part of the enzyme. Apoenzyme is the protein part of the enzyme. Okay, apoenzyme. Now, coenzymes. What are coenzymes? Coenzymes are organic molecule which are loosely bound to the enzyme. Okay, coenzymes are organic molecules loosely bound to the enzyme. Whereas prosthetic group prosthetic group is also organic molecules which are tightly bound to the enzyme. Organic molecule tightly bound to the enzyme. Tightly bound to the enzyme. So what are the terms indicating? Cofactors are non-protein part of the enzyme. Apoenzymes are protein part of the enzyme. Coenzymes are organic molecules loosely bound to the enzyme, and prosthetic groups are organic part which is lightly bound to the enzyme. So coenzyme example we can take NAD, NADP. What is the full form of NAD? You have studied nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide. Nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide. Here phosphate, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. That's the end of the chapter. Thank you.